this is Sam here from Kitchen Gadgets Club and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to steam broccoli using the Ninja Speedi. Fun fact for you here, the very first thing we ever cooked in our Instant Pot, which was the first electric pressure cooker we own, was fresh broccoli, and it was absolutely delicious. And I just loved how bright the green was on the broccoli compared to boiling it in a pan, and I haven't boiled broccoli in a pan ever since. But the steaming method is just such a brilliant thing to do, and it's just such an amazingly simple way to get started with your Ninja Speedi. So it's going to be our latest day. We've shown you some pastas now, so I think it's about time we moved on to vegetables and some other things that are just as easy for you to recreate at home using your Ninja Speedi. So are you ready for today? So shall we get started? Right, so I've got one head of broccoli here. This is the method for fresh broccoli. But something that needs a quick mention is that remember to go with medium florets when you're doing the broccoli, because my cook times will never work if you've got a broccoli that small. Come on, medium sized is perfect. And I am using the cooking time for this based on our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. So if you've not pre-ordered a copy, please do so now. So for the broccoli, what do you need? You need your broccoli. I will leave seasoning to your own personal preference because we all have different. And then you also need a cup of water, which if you're in the UK like we are, that's 240 ml, because you need the liquid to steam the broccoli. So take your crisp plate out. Remember, you want it all clipped in at the back because you want it in the lower position, not the higher position. And then I find it easiest to pour in the water first, and then I don't have to worry about that part of it, and I can just get the broccoli chopped and get it in and just make sure it's sturdy in place. Sometimes those clips can come out, so in which case just turn it over and re-clip it in. It's just kind of like a little flaw that it has going on. And then this is the broccoli I've got. So what I like to do, which if you check out my other videos, look for my video for broccoli ends, because that teaches you how to turn this into like broccoli chips or broccoli ends, no matter what you call it. It's delicious. And then you just want to chop up your broccoli into medium-sized florets. That's a good size to go with, depending on how you like it. Just chop the end, a bit more of the end off there, because then it's easier to break it up into the florets. And then just load them in. Oh, and you can do a mixture of broccoli and cauliflower if you prefer your cauliflower. And that's my head of broccoli because it's not the biggest. And then give it a quick seasoning. Salt and pepper. Always does the trick, doesn't it? And then it's ready to go on. So according to my time and temperature chart, which I've said you can pre-order, it's 15 minutes on steam. So let's get the lid down and let's get it going. Now for cooking your broccoli, you want to turn it on and you want to make sure you're on the rapid cooker, which we are. Flick it down to steam, and then 10 minutes if you want the broccoli to have a bite to it, or 15 minutes if you want it fully cooked, and then press start. If you're serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under a £5, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on this steamed broccoli using the Ninja Speedi? Oh, look at that. So check out that broccoli, doesn't it look amazing? And if you want a closer look of the broccoli, that's what it looks like. Can you believe that? Perfect broccoli every single time in the Ninja Speedi. I just love it. It's just a really, really simple vegetable you can do. You can season it how you like. You can pair it with some of your favourite fish or some chicken. They're all in the time and temp chart anyway, so don't forget to pre-order yourself a copy. And just think you've just ticked broccoli off the list. So next, shall we do another vegetable? Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.